and welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travels with Sharma. But let me first change my nail paint because we are doing a video on hair care, body care and skin care. And starting off with my morning routine, I'll use this cold gua sha which I keep in the freezer, and next day I take it out and I apply it all over my face. So I follow this routine every alternate days because I don't do it usually, and I mainly do it to get rid of the puffiness on my face, and also because I have little bit of face fat for my double chin, and also to get little bit of that jawline. And this is what I do in a very gentle way, not too hard way. Now let's directly head into my body care routine in the shower that I usually follows within a week. This is the Be Body Wise 10% AHA body scrub that I've been using since past 2 weeks, and I'm loving the smell of this and the way it scrubs. It's like so good, very similar to the one that I used to use, which is the body scrub from Dove. Like, it smells like you've stepped out of from a spa, and I usually apply it all over my body, my underarms, to exfoliate like deeply. So basically the idea is to get rid of all the dead skin cells, any sort of tanning or bumpiness on my hands, on my neck or on my underarms. So this is the idea of applying a body scrub. Then I go in with a light gentle body wash. So currently I'm using the cucumber one from Dove. It also has a very soothing smell, not too harsh on my skin. I apply it all over my hands and everywhere. And now it's time to do some little bit of shaving for my hands because I have a very small hairs, and I usually do it once in a month or twice in a month because I don't like hair on my knuckles of my hands. For my post shower routine, I'm directly going in with this vanilla caramello body lotion from Plum Body Loving. I mean, I love this product so much because of the smell and the way it hydrates my body for so long hours. I love it. And then for my back, I'm using this Urea body lotion from Be Body Wise because I've been seeing a little bit of spots on back because of the dryness and all. So I just want to test out this product. So now it's time for the morning skincare, and we are first starting up with this Salicylic face wash from So True. I'm not really a fan of this face wash, but I only apply Salicylic one. And when it comes to the face washes, I only go in with them every 3 times or 2 times a week because they makes my skin dry. And today we are applying face mask, and that's why I need to clean up my face up before applying this mask. This is the Dermaco Salicylic mask, one of my favorite most used masks. I have literally restocked this mask 3 times. Like, this is my 3rd time restocking this and I'm loving it. I usually go in with this mask like once in a week. Then I'm gonna wait for almost 10 to 15 minutes for this mask to dry up, and I'm gonna take the most softest cloth to get rid of this mask, not something really hard to apply on my face. Also, this mask make you feel little tingling on your face because it does, and that's why at the last step I applied this ice cube to get rid of that burning sensation which I feel sometimes on my face. Now for the serums, I usually go in with the Scientistry Salicylic one, but I'm not liking it in this winter, so I have to stock in my favorite minimalist salicylic one which I have been using since last 3 years. This is one of the best serums when it comes to getting rid of whiteheads and all. Even though it also takes time to get usual with your skin, it is very light, does not feel any sort of irritation after applying the serum, and I love the kind of glow it gives me, which I was missing. I pair it up with the sunscreen from Underrated, and this one I've been using since a year now, and I just can't stop applying this sunscreen as well, as it is lightweight, very watery, not so thick, does not feel sticky at all. And now you're gonna see the glow on my face. Like, this is how my skin is looking after this 2-step routine. My skin feels amazing, hydrated, glossy and everything with just 2 products. It's time for my favorite lip balm, which is the Fix Derma's lip balm. Again, this I've been using since almost 6-7 months. Loving it again. Very good, very long lasting. I'm also testing out this Vitamin K eye cream from Minimalist. I don't know if this will work out. It's been only like 10 days. So I'm using it regularly for my fine lines, especially not for my dark circles, because I've stopped caring about my dark circles. Now I'm focusing on my fine lines and wrinkles the most. So let's see if this will give any sort of results. And then for my underarms, I usually go in with the Chemist at Play's underarm roll-on. It just makes my underarms feel good. I also follow this routine for my upper lip area, for my chin hair and for my hair under lower lip. And for that I've been using the O3 Professional Peel Off Wax. I mean, this has been so good. I don't know why I have not mentioned this product at all on my page, but it's going to get emptied, and how easily I can apply this with my finger and get rid of that wax so easily. Like, it's just a 10 minutes process. it's so simple, and I just need to apply this like twice in a month because I have like very much hair on these areas, and that's why I do it at home. I also need to get done with my eyebrows as well today. Now it's time for my pre-hair wash routine, which I usually do at night before washing my hair. So this is the mustard oil that has onion and curry leaves in it. I usually apply this on my scalp and little bit on the ends of my hair. Not too much oil because it makes my hair greasy and my hair can fall a lot more, because that also makes my strand little weak and my hair fall can happen more. After this I just make a braided pony, and as you guys can see how thin my hair has gotten. And following up, I am going in with my nighttime routine that I usually follow 2 times in a week. First I go in with this cleansing oil. I thought this cleansing oil will work on my whiteheads, but it has not. I use it to clean my overall face. So I use this cleansing oil for overall my face to get rid of any sort of dirt. And once I got done with this massaging process, I apply a little bit of water on my face, and then it becomes a little bit soapy. I wash it off, then I follow it up with little bit of scrub. Whenever I feel like that my whitehead has increased, I go in with the scrub, massage it off under my lips and on my nose, because that is the 2 areas where I have mostly whiteheads. I clean my face up. Now it's time to use a good face wash. Like, you need to get rid of the oil. Because you have applied an oil cleanser, it is very important to apply a face wash, because that is when only you're going to get the glow, and also you're going to see how amazing your skin is going to look like that is when your skin will be absolutely clean. Now it's time to apply this vitamin B5 moisturizer, which is paired up with retinol. I usually go in with the moisturizer because retinol has made my skin felt a little bit irritated, and that's why I first go in with the moisturizer and then this Formula RX retinol. And this is how I apply it and get it done with my nighttime skincare routine. Now it's time for the hair wash routine. For hair wash, I have been using this Naturally Anti-Hair Fall shampoo. Not a good one, but it makes my hair frizz-free, and that is what I love about it, especially in the winters, because my hair gets very frizzy. And it's a basic shampoo, not a very good one. Then I go in with the Dove hair mask. This is one of the best hair masks out there, like such good quantity at an affordable rate, and makes your hair look so shiny and hydrated. I love it whenever I want my hair to be super smooth and amazing. Now comes the post hair wash routine, where I usually detangle my hair, which we always does, but I also do this one thing, which is back combing. I started it like 2 weeks back only. Nothing too much, but because my hair fall is happening, that's why I'm doing extra things to make them feel a little protected. Then I directly go in with this Streaks hair serum, and it makes my hair go shiny like within just 2 pumps. I need just 2 pumps and my hair is gonna get like so good, like so smooth and all at the same time. And I love the smell of this product as well, and that is also one of the reasons why I apply it. And I think you can see the difference, like you can actually see how amazing this looks. And this was the overall routine that I follow, whether that is body care, hair care, skin care, post, pre, everything included in this video. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, because I loved making this one for you all. And thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.